Hi there, it's Jacqueline from Homeworks, etc. We are showcasing our charcuterie boards today. I'm so excited to have these in stock. We have about 20 live edge charcuterie boards that are ready for you to DIY. So I wanted just to showcase how easy it is to use a few simple products to get beautiful results of this charcuterie board here. This is a final product. We have done tasting boards, which are a little bit smaller. This is our charcuterie board style, which is about 24 inches wide by, they range about 11 inches to 12 inches wide. And we're finding that customers are coming back over and over again to make these charcuterie boards for people who are difficult to buy for. So if you're thinking of a gift for a birthday, if you love to entertain, wedding gifts as well, they're a nice personal added touch to something that someone usually wouldn't buy for themselves. However, if you are a DIYer yourself and love charcuterie, this is a perfect project for you too. So these boards are made out of maple, and right now I'm just waiting for paint to dry on the first coat so that we've got this Bon Appetit stencil that I've applied, and I'm going to show you with hemp oil, which is food safe, how to really make that wood grain pop, and then we finish it off with the salad bowl finish, which protects the board from any foods that might transfer any potential natural colors just from whatever you're putting on your board. So this coat, we're using Fusion Mineral Paint Coal Black. These little testers go a long way, and all of these supplies we offer in our DIY kit for you as well. Foam brushes, rags, everything you need to make this at home. So super lightly on the paint, I'm just going to apply a second coat. And again, less is best when you're applying paint on your stencil, just so that it doesn't seep underneath the stencil. You want nice crisp lines, and you can go left to right, side to side, doesn't really matter, just a little bit of paint goes a long way. And that's that. What I love about this project too is even for people who don't feel like they're creative, they're totally able to execute this project with amazing results. And again, we supply the stencil of your choice, so we have lots of different options. You've seen the Gather, Bon Appetit. We're able to also personalize, so if you're looking for a wedding gift, we can put the wedding date on there too. Hemp oil. So hemp oil is from Fusion Mineral Paint as well. It's really easy to apply. I'm actually just gonna, once this is dry, we'll remove the stencil and show you how to use that. This is just the transfer tape. This comes with the stencil when you first apply it. And again, all the instructions are included. And I can see that it's still wet, just because it does have a bit of a sheen to it. And it'll go a matte finish when it's dry. So the paint is completely dry. As you can see, I have removed part of the stencil off, and all these little bits are gonna stay on the center. So you can just use a toothpick that comes in your kit as well and just start peeling away the centers, and you can see now, you can see all the design. And this is the fun part of the reveal, and you can see how crisp the lines are. I will show you that in just a second after I peel. So we go from the skinniest point of those stencils to help you peel that up. And there you go. All right, so I'm really gonna be super liberal with the hemp oil here. And again, this is totally food safe. I'm not worried about wearing gloves or anything. It's really just gonna moisturize your hands anyways. And you can see the difference once you apply the hemp oil, and it just really helps the colors of the natural wood pop. I think this is the most satisfying part of making this charcuterie board. can see that the after product looks very different from where we started, and I'll just show you another sample of wood that we have as well. So the before and the after. And again, each piece of wood is so unique. You're gonna get knots in some pieces. Every piece has live edge. And actually we're gonna hemp oil that as well. And you can see we're gonna get to the back side as well, but we'll just leave that for today. And I'll finish that after, but we'll do the salad bowl finish as well. So you see how easy it is? Actually, you know what? I think this big one is open. Again, this is a Fusion mineral paint product, and you can buy these separately in store. This is something that you're gonna wanna treat your charcuterie board with on a regular basis. And you can see the difference. I know it's hard to see on camera here, but this salad bowl finish really does make a huge difference. It protects your board. And if you're putting anything like strawberries or carrots, anything that has a pigment of color, this is what protects it from getting color on your board. So there is gonna be some upkeep that you're gonna wanna do to keep it looking just like it is right now. So I hope that you can see how easy this DIY kit is and the beautiful results that you get. If you're interested in this DIY kit, you can head to our website at homeworksetc.ca. I'll put the link below, and we'll show you that there's the tasting board, there's a flight paddle board too, which is super cool if you love craft beer, and this charcuterie board for you as well.